There has been another airplane collision, this time on the ground in Chicago. A worker at Chicago's O'Hare International Airport was critically injured Saturday night when an aircraft tug collided with a plane that had just landed and was approaching a gate, causing the tug to flip over. Chicago police said that the tug flipped over after colliding with the wing of the plane, and that the tug flipped over, pinning the driver underneath it. According to officials, a United Airlines tug came into contact with the wing of an aircraft as it attempted to cross the taxiway. American Airlines has confirmed that it was one of their aircraft, an Air Wisconsin flight that had just landed in Chicago from Kalamazoo, Michigan. According to reports, the driver of the tug was pinned under the vehicle when it flipped over due to the collision. The driver was a 64-year-old man that was taken to Lutheran General Hospital in critical condition. He has since been stabilized, according to the Chicago police. The Federal Aviation Administration said that the incident occurred around 7:35 p.m. local time.